Hello everyone, I'm John with JP Strategic Investments, and today I'm going to go over why Robinhood's move to block trading on GameStop and other stocks has actually created a potentially huge catalyst for popular OTC stocks like Planet 13. I'll go over everything from how this is happening to why this could be a huge catalyst for Planet 13 and other popular OTC stocks. And also at the very end, I'll go over another OTC stock that's kind of under the radar that could be a good play as a result of this and some catalyst of its own. So with that said, let's dive right in. So I'm sure everyone is aware of the situation surrounding GameStop, AMC, and other stocks that have experienced huge short squeezes and eventually led to Robinhood, Webull, and other brokerages placing trading restrictions on these stocks. In Robinhood's case, some of these restrictions were only just lifted a few days ago. Well, this has caused many investors to rethink using Robinhood's platform and move their money to other brokerages like Charles Schwab and Fidelity, who, according to some sources, have taken on millions of new accounts just in the past few weeks. The point here is that there are a lot of people moving their money out of Robinhood and into these other brokerages. So what does this have to do with Planet 13? Well, Planet 13 has been growing in popularity over the last year or so, and especially with the younger investors who are banking on eventual legalization of Planet 13's products. This has caused the stock to grow more than 450% over the course of the last year. And while the stock has gained a lot of new investors, Robinhood investors have had to sit on the sidelines and watch, or instead put their money into Canadian stocks in the same space, like Kronos, Tilray, and Afria, who have all seen huge spikes in their stocks recently. This is because Robinhood and other brokerages like Webull that are new and target younger investors still do not support OTC stocks. I'm not sure exactly why they don't support OTC stock trading, and I reached out to Robinhood about this recently, but I did not get a straight answer, although they did say that they eventually do plan to support OTC trading. Regardless though, what this means is that all of these investors leaving Robinhood and moving to these other more established brokers now have access to Planet 13 and other OTC stocks. This could mean a flood of new investors into these stocks, and with Planet 13 being a very popular OTC stock right now, it could be one of the main stocks benefiting from these new investors. Also, Planet 13 has a number of catalysts in the near future that will likely entice more investors who might not be aware of the stock yet to buy in. Obviously, they just began construction of their new Orange County Superstore, which is expected to be completed in just 6 to 9 months. This will be a huge growth driver and provide a big boost to revenue and profits. Plus, it will continue to build out the Planet 13 brand, with this being their first location outside of Nevada, allowing them to reach a larger customer base. Another catalyst coming soon is their next earnings report for the last quarter of 2020. If this report shows a continued recovery from the pandemic and strong growth, it should give the stock a very nice boost and increase investor confidence. And lastly, of course, we have a Democratic-controlled House and Senate now, which seem to be moving closer and closer to legalizing Planet 13's products. This would obviously be a big catalyst for Planet 13, along with other stocks in their industry. And it's not just because Planet 13 would now be able to freely sell their products across the US, but also because it would gain access to US banks, and most importantly gain the ability to be listed on the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange, which would open Planet 13 up to a huge amount of new investors, including large investment banks that tend to shy away from OTC stocks or companies whose products are not yet federally legal. All of this means that former Robinhood investors who are now able to buy OTC stocks will likely find Planet 13 to be a very tempting choice. And finally, as I mentioned before, there's another OTC stock that's a bit under the radar which I'm currently investing in, and that is Patriot Technologies, which actually trades on the Toronto Exchange under the ticker PAT, but US investors can buy it on the OTC markets under the ticker PTOTF. Patriot Technologies designs and deploys covert threat detection technology that has the potential to stop terrible events like school shootings and streamline security checkpoints at stadiums, casinos, and other large venues. If you're interested in checking out this stock, you can watch my most recent video on the stock in the info card above, or check out the other videos on my channel. I hope you found this analysis helpful, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And don't forget to leave me a comment below if you recently left Robinhood and now you're looking at these OTC stocks. Other than that, see you next time, and have a great day.